Tonight, some new and serious allegations against the owners of the Citadel in Salisbury, the nursing home dealing with the highest number of confirmed COVID cases in the entire state. As of today, county officials say 19 people there have died.
Channel 9 has been investigating the facility, and our Tina Terry obtained some new court documents and talked to a man who says that his mother passed away after she got the virus there. Tina?
Oh yeah, Erica, in those latest court documents, former staff members called the owners of the facility reckless, saying they did not do enough to prevent that massive outbreak there.
It doesn't make sense to me for a company to be putting profit over basic human decency.
Darian Brown Sr. hurt and disappointed in the way he says his mother was treated at the Citadel Salisbury, her home, before he says she was hospitalized and died of COVID-19 last week. He supports this lawsuit filed weeks ago by other families, asking a judge to step in and help prevent the spread of the virus. Today, 5 new affidavits were filed in connection with that lawsuit. In one, a former LPN said the facility ignored a doctor's request to test patients for COVID-19 in early March. The facility was swabbing for flu, pneumonia, but corporate would not allow them to swab for COVID. He said there was a big rise of residents having temperatures and fevers. It did not make sense to us as nurse personnel why the corporate owners were not jumping all over this. Another said in mid-March, Citadel's management locked up the masks that the facility already had on site and would not let the staff wear them during the early weeks of the outbreak.
I know that a total change out of any kind of management needs to happen. The people who said no, let's not test, they need to pay the consequences for those actions.
Yeah, no response from the Citadel to these latest filings. However, they have said all along that they were monitoring patients for COVID-19 starting in early March, and they were following CDC guidelines. Now, I did talk to state health officials. They told us that there is a current investigation at the facility, but they would not comment on that. We'll, of course, keep you posted. Back to you at the desk.
All right. We'll be looking forward to what you find out, Tina. Thank you. This lawsuit is coming as a new law was just passed in North Carolina that protects nursing homes and medical providers during this pandemic. It aims to shield healthcare facilities from liability for the decisions they make during the crisis. Some are worried that it gives them immunity from lawsuits. Last week, the state health department gave new guidance on testing specifically for nursing homes. They say everyone who lives in or who has regular contact with high-risk places like these facilities should have access to testing regardless of their symptoms.